Alexa Auto Mode is the lesser-known navigation option for drivers and commuters. If you use the Alexa app on your phone and connect your car entertainment system, you can enable this alternative driving assistance option. While it is possible to buy the additional Amazon Echo Auto microphone, you can simply use your phone by itself. In this video, I walk through the features available for drivers. The Auto Mode is an option that might be useful to some, especially if you predominantly use Amazon Echo devices and services in your home. Amazon Alexa users might not be aware of the additional features you can make use of while driving, simply by having the app on your phone. Or maybe you've seen the notification pop up on your phone but ignored it. Deep within the settings of the Alexa app is the option to turn on Auto Mode. Here you can activate features that enable you to control and listen to audio content, use navigation features, and even communicate with your Echo devices at home. The main benefits for Auto Mode users is familiarity if you're already invested in the Amazon Echo ecosystem for your home. You can use voice commands with Alexa and the assistant will translate them into actions, enabling you to focus on the road and avoid touching your phone. As of the last update from Amazon, Auto Mode is available for customers with Android Auto and iOS devices in the US, Canada, Germany, France, India, Italy, Spain, UK, Australia and New Zealand. The first place to start is your home page. Auto Mode presents you with a summary of your most common or recent functions. If you played some music, the first tile will enable you to continue where you left off. The next tiles give you shortcuts to navigation to your home or workplace, and the second tile is a shortcut to launch your phone app to make phone calls. Providing you've turned on the assistant voice options, you can also simply launch the Alexa assistant by using the Alexa keyword. Play View from the Lane podcast.
Here's The View from the Lane, a show about Tottenham from Amazon Music. Here's the latest episode, Driggison and Old Trafford.
The Athletic.
The Navigate screen enables quick access to your home and workplace locations stored in the Alexa app. Depending on your device and chosen map app on your phone, choosing a destination will open that app and then launch the route immediately. For instance, if you use Google Maps as your default navigation app, Auto Mode will launch the app and then the destination already programmed in. One idiosyncrasy is that you have to have Alexa as your main assistant on your phone to exit the navigation app by voice command alone. Go to Alexa app. Play View from the Lane podcast. For example, after launching Google Maps, only Google Maps is responsive to your voice commands. You're unable to trigger Alexa even if you have it switched on in the app. It's a little disappointing as it requires some manual input to get back to the Alexa app, but makes sense from a design and engineering point of view. In the US only at this time, as part of the updates to the Alexa Auto Mode is a new voice shortcut. Now saying Alexa Start My Commute will immediately launch a routine where you'll receive weather and traffic updates between your home and work location. Alexa also proactively suggests listening to music or other audio, read out the latest news, or even play a game which is driver safe. The Communicate screen is the way to quickly access not only your phone functions but also the dedicated Alexa device functions.
Here, you can also start a two-way call with your Echo devices in your home, or you can make announcements via the quick options.
Tapping on these will enable you to quickly update your loved ones on your journey progress.
On my way home.
You can also use voice commands to make announcements should you wish. The Play screen shows your most current media played using the Alexa device and a convenient button to play or pause, along with a list of recently played media. By default, the music and podcast app will be Amazon Music. However, in the settings you're able to switch to one of the other supported services, which includes Spotify, Apple Music, Apple Podcasts, SiriusXM, and TuneIn among some others. Selecting any of the items in the list starts playing the media and brings up the Now Playing screen, which provides additional controls specific to the type of media being played and the service being used. Another US exclusive feature which would be welcome elsewhere in the world is Pay for Gas. Pay for gas is available at over 11,500 Exxon and Mobil stations across the US, and customers can say, "Pay for gas." Alexa will confirm the station location, pump number, and then activate the pump for you remotely. My final thoughts on Auto Mode is that it's going to be a useful addition for any Amazon Alexa users who want to extend their experience into their car. Familiarity with the ecosystem lends itself to continuing that outside of the home. The US exclusive features for Start My Commute and Pay for Gas also give a further reason to adopt Auto Mode for some drivers. However, if you're already heavily invested in CarPlay or Android Auto, Alexa's Auto Mode probably isn't going to make you switch. Thank you for watching, and as always, it would be great if you were to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal technology and the connected home.